Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to transfer money from Trust Wallet to Jazzcash. Open Trust Wallet and confirm your available token balance. Then choose a swap or exchange route to convert crypto into Pakistani rupees. Select a reputable exchange, create a sell order, and withdraw the resulting bank transfer or mobile wallet deposit. Keep transaction ID and screenshots for tracking and customer support in case any delays or issues occur. Begin by swapping crypto to a token accepted by your chosen exchange, then move that token to the exchange wallet. Sell for Pakistani rupees and request a withdrawal to your linked bank account or partner that supports Jazzcash deposits. After the bank transfer clears, open Jazzcash and confirm the received funds using account history or transaction ID. Contact support quickly with evidence if amounts do not appear as expected. Expect fees at several stages: network gas, exchange swap, and withdrawal charges when moving to a bank or Jazzcash partner. Always enable two-factor authentication and double-check Jazzcash account numbers and reference details before sending funds. Keep records of each transaction and use a small test transfer to validate the process. If a delay occurs, share transaction ID with support and remain patient while they investigate the transfer path.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.